Hi everyone, welcome to Nano Elian and back to Git tutorial video series. In our previous session, we have learnt about how to commit changes to the local repository. In today's video, I'll talk about how to amend changes in Git. Before that, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever new content is uploaded. For clear information on how to amend changes in Git, along with a clear practical demo, please watch this video completely till the end. Let's get started. How to amend previous commit in Git. These are the steps we need to follow to amend changes in Git. At times, there is a possibility that we may forget to add some changes to the files while commit. Also, after the commit, one may feel that the commit message might have been more precise or appropriate. Then, no need to worry, Git allows us to amend changes to the previous commit. For that, open repository folder, then open any previous committed file, then make some change by adding some text or sample code in it and save the file. Now open Git bash screen, then check the status of repository using the command git status. The details displayed, the modified file appears in red. Files that are not staged displays under the title changes not staged for commit. Now to add these changes to the previous or first commit we made, and also change the commit message accordingly, type the command git add dot. To amend these changes to the previous commit, we need to use the command git commit -amend. For changing the commit message, one need to be in the insert mode of the command line using I key on the keyboard. Now we will be entered into the insert mode, then modify the commit message as required. Now hit the escape key on the keyboard and type $X exclamatory symbol to confirm the above changes made to the commit message. Now hit enter. This amends all the changes to the previous commit. If one decides not to save the changes, now hit escape button and use $Q exclamatory mark to exit and come out of insert mode without saving the changes made. Now let us try to understand this using a practical demo. For this, first we need to open the local repository folder, select any file to edit, and add some text or code to it and save the file. After making the changes, now right click on the folder, select Git bash here to open the Git bash screen. Once the Git bash screen is opened, first we need to check the status of the repository using the command git status. Then hit enter. You can see that the modified file index3.html is displayed in red. Also, the files that are not staged displays under the title changes not staged for commit. Now to add changes to the previous or first commit we made, and also to change the commit message accordingly, type the command git add space dot and hit enter. This adds these changes to the previous commit. Now to amend these changes to the previous commit, we need to use the command git commit -amend and hit enter. Now to change the commit message, one need to enter into the insert mode of the command line. For that, hit the I key on the keyboard. Now we will enter into the insert mode of the command line. Now modify the commit message as required. Say I am typing as amend changes to the previous commit. Once we have entered into the insert mode, now modify the commit message as required, then hit the escape key on the keyboard, then type $X exclamatory symbol to confirm the above changes made to the commit message. Then hit enter button. That's all. This amends all the changes to the previous commit. Similarly, once the user is in the insert mode, if one decides not to save the changes, we need to hit escape button and type $Q exclamatory symbol instead of single colon x exclamatory symbol to exit and come out of the insert mode without saving the changes made. Here is a quick recap on all the git commands that we have discussed in today's video. The first one is git status. It is a command used to check the status of the repository. The next one is git commit --amend. It is a command used to add these changes to the previous or first commit we have made and also change the commit message accordingly. The next one is escape button followed by single colon x exclamatory symbol. It is a command used to confirm all the changes made in the insert mode to the commit message. And the last one is escape button followed by single colon q exclamatory symbol. It is a command used to exit and come out of the insert mode without making any changes. That's all for today's session. These are some useful URL links for Git download. Thanks for watching my video. Happy learning. Have a good day.